Good morning everybody, hello and welcome to another day of Vlogmas. I've seen other people vlog while they drive, but I have no idea how their camera stays in position. I feel like they must have some way of like supporting it because I feel like mine's just gonna slip off. It's Sunday the 11th. I am just on my way to pick up my friends. We're going out for Christmas lunch, and then this evening I'm going out for another Christmas lunch / dinner with another group of friends. So I'm doing two full Christmas lunches today, which is great. The first place I'm going for lunch though is a place I went last Sunday with another group of friends. So really mixing it up. It's Sunday, it's freezing. It's like -2 degrees or something, and I'm only running 3 minutes late today. 4, which is great. I had to edit my Zara video this morning, so I got up super early. I didn't realise how, well, I did realise how much work Vlogmas was going to be, but I didn't realise how much of my life was going to be spent editing and awake, because I have had basically, I'm living off about 4.5 to 5 hours sleep a night at the moment, which is mainly my fault because I'm going to bed so late. But yeah, it's so foggy and beautiful today. Absolutely love it. We were meant to go for a walk earlier this morning before lunch, but everyone's vetoed it because it was like -4, and we were like, no thank you. I think I'm gonna get the beef today. I got it last time and it was good. It was good. I'm wearing my new Arquette coat, which I'm so obsessed with. I absolutely love it. It was expensive, but it's just one of those like classic style coats. Hold on, let me work out where I'm going. Not down there. I'm going over here. So I'm driving so carefully because I don't want my camera just to slide off. Whoop. Okay, anyway, I'll take you through today, and then yeah, I'm a bit stressed this morning because I've got such a hectic week before I go to Paris on Thursday morning. I have to get everything ready. There's a lot going on. Whoop, whoop. Oh, there she goes. Goodbye.
Yeah, through them because they were really difficult as an agency. Quite moist in there. Tom's got like.
Okay, back home from lunch. I'm about to decorate. Could have turned the other way. My parents' tree. So there's a lot of decorations, mainly Disney, but I'll show you them all. Don't you look festive? Yes, Beanie. Very nice. Hello.
Merry Christmas, ladies.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Bublé.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Singing along, Lord's open sleigh.
Dashing through, walking in the winter wonderland.
So many dogs. Lights are on. So pretty, this tree. First box of decorations, they're all wrapped up because they're all very special and breakable and probably Disney. Let's have a look, yeah, which we've collected over the many years. That's a Disneyland one, beautiful. This one looks like a Mickey Mouse. This is very special. So pretty. Ooh.
Beautiful. That's not wrap.
I've
not seen them. I know I wanted it to be here, but I put it not here. Here.
I'm okay, thank you.
Want to put this one on? Actually, what's happened? But it can go on the back. Or on this side. Or on that side. Maybe that side at the back. Minnie. One says fairy dust. It does pizza. Got Winnie the Pooh. This one. We've got the canoe, which is niche. It's from the Santa Claus when the canoe falls down when he's delivering presents. Tinkerbell. Minnie and Mickey. We've got the castle up here, Disney ornament. We've got the carousel one from Disneyland. Got a Mickey Mouse. We've got a Cinderella carriage. We've got Pluto. We've got Tigger. We've got Minnie. We've got Elsa. We've got a Frozen one. We've got 101 Dalmatians. Another hidden Mickey here. Is it going to focus? Mickey. We've got another Winnie the Pooh. Is that all of them? Okay, so I made this decoration when I was like young, let's say 4 to 6. And it's very beautiful, and we've named her Becky. No one really likes her on the tree, so I always have to kind of put her on the tree without people seeing. I'm on the step ladder. Jess is in the bathroom. It's my opportunity. Here she is, top of the tree. Beautiful. Pretty. So these are one of my favourite things that we bought last year to go on the tree. So they're candles. You need to put batteries in them, but basically this is the weight, and you hook this bit over a branch, and that weighs it down, and then you screw in, if I could get one of them out, you put this in here, and it has a battery in here that we need to add back in, and it kind of sits, I'll show you when they're on, it sits on a branch, and it looks like vintage candles on a tree. They are so magical, and you turn them on, they're all connected with this like Bluetooth remote, and they're all Bluetooth operated, and they look so beautiful when they're on. It's so pretty in this room. You want to have a look at the tree? Hi, baby. Okay, I am now on my way to, sorry, it's a weird light on my face, to my second Christmas dinner of the day. I've had a bit of a nightmare because for lunch I ordered, I had a roast with all the trimmings and Yorkshire pudding and everything like that, and then a sticky toffee pudding, and I forgot that I'd pre-ordered my dinner for tonight, and I'd ordered a roast and a sticky toffee pudding. So I'm literally, not only am I having 2 dinners today, I kind of knew I was having 2 roasts. I'm having 2 sticky toffee puddings. Why didn't I go for a chocolate thing earlier? Mix it up a bit. But anyway, I've decorated the tree at my parents' house. Zoe's going to do the final touches, and there'll probably be a Zoe Cam intro here because she's going to do the little one in the kitchen as well. I'm just driving up to meet all my friends in the pub, and it's snowing and it's beautiful, and I'm so happy that it's snowing, and yeah, it's blooming freezing though. So that's been my day. I'm still quite full, but excited for a 3-course meal now. That's my little update. I'll insert Zoe Cam now, and I will see you in a bit.
In the semi-final towards Orca and the intensity of what
Through the blinds.
we've said all along.
Oh wow, look at this snow.
The dance that I'm
That's it, lentils here.
Merry Christmas!
You've got like, yeah, 100%.
Second roast of the day.
Yes, you were speaking amazing.
Oh my god, it's so snowy. I haven't seen snow like this in ages. Well, like not here. So beautiful. Where did he go? What do you think, Gunnar? Good boy. Come on, Gunnar. Daggy, what's this? This way, come here. Hi. What do you think of the snow?
So we've just come out of dinner and it's torrential snow. So I'm now taking these guys to the tube because they can't get an Uber. Oh, I haven't sprayed my Uggs. I'm so upset. Full fast. Smile! Yay! This is appropriate music. The thing. This is insane. Oh my god, this is so crazy. This is so crazy. It's taken me an hour and a half to do a 15-minute journey. There were cars skidding everywhere. I'm so lucky I'm in a 4x4. But this has been so insane. This is the first time I've ever had to drive in snow like this. Oh my god, if I get stuck here, I'll be so upset. Someone else is skidded. I'm so close to the end of my road. Oh no, and no one's moving, and I just need 7 cars to move out the way and I can turn onto my road. This has been an absolute fucking terrifying nightmare. Anyway, it's gonna be fine. I'm nearly home. But yeah, it's 20 past 11 and I left the pub at 9:45. Anyway, Nick's coming to meet me to keep me company, so that's cute. I couldn't be more obsessed with this man. I think he's bought me a cup of tea. Oh my god. He's so cute! Have you bought me a cup of tea? No.
So cold.
Made it back to my road. This is insane. Nick bought me a cup of tea. He came to help me. We're parked. It's our first kiss in the snow. Oh, that's not true. We went skiing.
This is amazing.
It's bedtime. It's midnight. Oh, I haven't done my Wordle. Oh, that's annoying. Absolutely exhausted. I've got an ulcer on my tongue. And I wanted to be home by 10. And it's midnight. But it's fine. I'm gonna go and get ready for bed. Anyway, it's Sunday night. I'm going to bed. What an eventful end to the weekend. But thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. And see you tomorrow. Okay, bye guys.